Oopsies. Ew! Guess what it smells like? Apples! No, April, not poop. No, not poop.
Of course, you shit her pants.
I did? Did I? Did I shit my pants?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't think so. It smells like you sharted.
I did. Yeah.
She sharted her pants. This one's going on Facebook, by the way.
Yay.
I'm
I'm sure you'd put that on.
Ella. Oh. That was nasty. She a lesbian. Did you see her kiss me? That was gross.
Corey's a lesbian lover.
You know.
She likes to watch lesbian porn.
Porn!
Let me see your hand.
She almost bit me.
Let me see your hand.
Ah!
Let me see your arm.
I'm gonna bite you. Guess what?
What?
I'm a whore. You wanna know how I'm a whore?
How?
Because I itch my nose. That means I'm a whore. So if you itch your nose, you're a fucking whore.
I'm a prostitute and I charged $5 an hour.
Ooh. That's where all my money goes.
Yeah.
Guess how much I charge an hour? Guess. Just guess.
2 cents.
No, bitch, that costs $100 fucking dollars.
She's a whore.